Hello students and welcome to Module 3, Week 3. Here is the overview of the week. There's going to be the introduction, then you have the readings, video lecture, homework, the group discussion, and the quiz, and the summary. Remember that it is best to follow this recommended sequence. In the introduction, go ahead and read about the introduction to this chapter, to this module, which is managing your projects and document formatting. So read about this, talking about technology. Because of technology, clients and bosses, supervisors are expecting us to do more, which of course technology does help, but there's still this human aspect that we want to take care of. And we'll talk more about this in this module. So go ahead and read through this introduction. And essentially what you want to do is to have as neat a workspace as possible. We have the student learning objectives here and what you have to do for this module. We have the readings. You can click here to watch the video lecture or advance in the next button over here. You have homework number 2. You can click through here for the group discussion, some productivity tips. This is the same that is in the readings, so you can click here or go to the readings page. And you have a quiz for module 3. In the readings page, go ahead and read these articles and the information from the previous page, and these 2 articles is what's going to be primarily on the quiz for this week. The video lecture will be here. I haven't recorded that video, so that'll show up here, and you can follow along with the PowerPoint here, which you can open or download if you like to do so. For the homework, go ahead and read the instructions. Many times during your translation requests, you're going to receive a Word document, which is preferred, and then you translate that document, and then you turn in a Word document as well. But sometimes clients give you a PDF, which these are PDFs. So you need to learn how to convert a PDF into Word so that you can work on that. Unless you have the paid version of Adobe Acrobat, you cannot work on a PDF directly. Now, this is as of now. There might be features coming up where you might be able to do that, but as of now, you have to have a paid version. And then it may not work on certain fonts that are embedded in the document, etc. So you need to learn how to work with that. And in the video lecture, I'll give you another option as to how some clients prefer to do that. But in reading through here, essentially what you have to do is follow the client's instructions. How do they prefer to work? Sometimes I get an Adobe Illustrator file. And if you don't have Adobe Illustrator, then what you can do is very specifically note all the sections, the headings, and all that. And then you work on a Word document, you turn that in, and then the graphics designer person can cut and paste your words, your text into the final document. That's another option. But here what I want you to do is follow these instructions. Working from a PDF document, you're going to use a optical character recognition software. So you can download OCR here. You can use Express Zip so that you can turn in more than one document at once. And sometimes you get detailed instructions from a client like this where they tell you, I want you to turn in both files in the same zip folder, and I want you to rename the folder such and such. So in this case, for this homework, you're going to name the zip folder, first initial of your first name and your last name, and then .civic your language pair codes. So here are the codes. You can click in there and go to the official international language pair codes. You're going to upload the zip folder. This is a video on how to do that. So in my case, if I were to turn this in, my folder would be called C Vargas, capitalized for ease of reading, .civic.english-español, or ES is the code for Spanish. So here are some images on how to work with OCR and how to use Express Zip. If you're using Windows, watch this video. If you have a Mac, watch this video down here. And then you can read about the grading. If you have any questions, go ahead and do that. And of course, you have the due date here. For the group discussion, this is learning to work together. And although you may be used to Google Docs where you have collaboration, this feature is available in Microsoft Word as well. So here are the instructions on how to do that. You're going to need to log into Santa Ana College's student version of the Office products. So you can log into Microsoft Word online as a Santa Ana College student. And here are the instructions on how to access Microsoft Office 365, including Word, right here. Again, open it or download it. And you have been assigned to a group. You're going to read these two articles. Make sure that the document is shared with me and all other students in the group. Divide the work in your group. So some students will be responsible in writing a 3-paragraph summary of the two articles using Microsoft Word Online. So write an introductory paragraph, body, and conclusion. And the rest of the team should proofread the document using track changes to notate any and all changes. Then after everyone has agreed to the final document, accepting all track changes, instructions are at the bottom on how to do that. Then you turn in that document as a group. So in your group, decide who will be turning in the final document from your group. In the discussion reply below, you're going to provide a link for your final document to this page. And you're going to name your document this way. Group, whatever your group number is, so group 01, group 02, group 03, etc. Week 3. This is all together. So your group number replaces the 2 underscores right here. Please remember, because we have different languages here, we are not translating the original document or the articles above. This assignment is only designed to help you work together with Microsoft Online as a team, improve reading comprehension, and practice your English writing skills, and using the features in Word for track changes and collaboration. It's important to note that part of your grade will be collaboration and how well you communicate with each other and how organized your work looks. So even though you may collaborate outside of Canvas, in order to receive a grade for participation, everyone needs to comment in the group discussion page and make thoughtful comments. So here are the instructions on how to do that, how to access Microsoft Office 365, how to share a document. You can go through there. Track changes. Make sure you track changes for everyone. Here are instructions on how to do that. And another reminder that everyone needs to post. Everyone needs to participate. If you don't participate in the discussion, I will get this notice that this student does not have a submission for the assignment, and you will receive a 0 grade for this assignment. So everyone needs to participate. If you have any questions, here's some information and how to reply to a discussion, and you have the grading and feedback. Then you have Module 3 quiz right here. Again, you have 30 minutes. You're allowed 2 attempts. There are only 10 questions, so some of the questions are worth 2 points, some are worth 3 points. And you will get notes if you answer a question wrong as to how to guide you toward the right answer, and your score will be the highest of the 2 when you take it again. And that's it for this module. Thank you very much and have a great week.